Hey all, welcome to the next episode of a reconciliation break in trade life cycle. Okay, so today we'll discuss about the trade confirmation stage where the matching challenge has been happen. Okay, so in last, just want to recap. In last step, we discussed about the trade execution step. So where we have matched our quantity should be matched, our price should be matched, and our notional automatically should be matched, and we'll discuss about how the root cause and how you resolve the break into reconciliation day to day basis. So today we'll discuss about the next steps after the trade execution is the trade confirmation stage. So here we should match our trade date, settle date, quantity, currency, counterparty across the three parties, which is broker, custodian, and administration. So common break, how the common breaks are occurred into the trade confirmation step we'll discuss now. So first is a counterparty mismatch. The second is incorrect trade date settlement date or FX rate issue between the cross border. So cross border may be US India, Euro USD, or maybe any other currency. Or swap term or derivative detail miss, something detail miss between the underlying asset as well. So real example, we can see admin book the bond with a buy of a USD 5 million, but custodian expects settlement in euro currency. Due to the cross border trading we are doing, this always been happen. So in case, just want to explain you, in this case this cross border happen. So in some cases you have to book the FX spot, FX forward to mitigate this cash break into your reconciliation. The position will be always same because here the position of a quantity will be there, so it will not be. But in cash you get a discrepancy when you do the cross border. So impact in the settlement means the trade may fail at the custodian side. Okay, and you will find that trade confirmation break step, or FX exposure unhedged due to incorrect currency. You will face this scenario, or maybe you will face the wrong payment instruction sent to between the custodian, broker, and admin side, or you will face the issue between the break delay reporting and the cash allocation as well. So how in interview you will get some questions like this, how we can mitigate this issue. Okay, so they will ask the question like how the trade confirmation mismatch impact the settlement. So you can answer this question by simply saying by the bullet point that the trade confirmation mismatch can be directly impact the successful settlement of a trade, leading to the trade fail to the partial settlement of a custodian. In some time the custodian will get a delay confirmation from the client that they want to buy again some share or sell again some share. So mismatch between the them at custodian side, or incorrect delay trade fund transfer may also incorrect this, or some unhedged FX exposure due to the wrong currency booking also can delay this part. So delay fund accounting nav error or incorrect investor reporting may occur under the trade confirmation stage. So if we want to see some practical example how this will be shown into your reconciliation or in your system what you are using. So the fund GMT executed buy of a euro around 20 lakh worth rupees shares bond, but broker trade into euro and admin mistakenly book into the USD. Custodian received trade detail in euro but expect USD settlement due to the admin feed. So trade failed due to at custodian causing FX exposure. So this may be the reason. So how we can see this scenario in our reconciliation tool, we can see now. Okay, so in reconciliation you will see like this. Okay, so here just I want to highlight where you can see the discrepancy. Okay, so it will see the discrepancy on the currency side, you will see the discrepancy at quantity and notional side, you will see discrepancy at price, trade status, match status, external reference confirmation get delay. So in this step, this many types of a break get impacted. If something get mismatched between currency quantity and price or trade status, so everything get delay. So one by one we understand what thing will get delay. So here broker and custodian are matching with their currency, but however the fund administration reflecting USD. So this is a come under the controllable break, because administration part you are handling, like Geneva you have a party, you can change to the euro currency, because you have a valid documentation with the broker, because broker send in euro currency, so you can change and you can fix this issue at the same day. However, this is controllable part, but a quantity part, if it is not get matched, then if fx if you correct automatic, if you correct euro currency here, automatically the notional and your price will get automatically populated correctly, because if euro USD, there will be fx difference will be there, due to that it will impact like this. Okay, so fx booking mismatch risks, fx risks introduced here. Okay, difference will be fx risk. Currency valuation mismatch, fx plus cash break will be occurred. And price, if you see, the price plus currency mismatch will be there, so around some deviation break also occur. So here the trade also not match, because it is not matching between the currency, so it will trade confirmation break, unconfirmed at a break custodian side also, because here you book at USD, so custodian also not sure what will be there, euro or USD, so you have to send the email that to custodian that it is euro only, because we receive the confirmation. And the match status also will show as a unmatched, because the currency are not matching, so it goes to the unmatched situation as well. And external counterparty also not matched due to this issue between the fx, and it will delay, it will impact if one thing get incorrect in between the broker custodian and will, so it will impact many things. So basically if you see the trade confirmation break, mostly due to the trade date, quantity, currency and counterparty will get mismatch. Okay, so this is a just live example I want to show how the reconciliation break occurred and which part it get described. Okay, so impact of this mismatch may be settlement. In settlement part, you can see the custodian expect USD from the admin and actual broker was euro, the trade get failed. So this is a example of how the trade get failed. So fx explosion means the fund unhedged during 2 days delay, the fx movement risk means, for example, if you booking in some wrong example, so it will get a settlement delay, and anyhow the fund has to exposure means, if you book in euro or USD, so they cannot invest on some particular part, because they have a certain limit or certain exposure to invest into that part, so it will be delay on their exposure as well. Cash flow mismatch means admin show USD outflow, custodian show euro settlement, so it might get cash outflow as well. In this case you have to book between, if it get a correct euro and USD, so you can book the spot fx forward to clarify your cash break. Okay, in some cases this will be used. So it will get potential nav impact also, if same day nav, so it will get impacted due to currency mismatch, and you have to maintain one note that we are correcting at our side due to some late confirmation receive, so you have to maintain one note and inform into the email when you signing of this thing. So day to day basis, if you are doing such thing, so you are aware about the thing how to make a note in nav email, sign off email. And the operation delay also, for example, the trade need to be cancelled and rebooked correctly by the admin team, like this operation delay will be there. So how you can resolve this break, for example, admin to correct currency and the notional in the system. First thing you have to correct the admin, means if currency get corrected, so automatically the notional will get corrected into your system. The same way the break will get confirm with the broker that euro settlement is original intent before amending anything, like you are in admin side you are reflecting as USD currency, You are changing before changing to euro, just confirm with your broker it is settlement, it will be on euro or USD, because we see in USD currency. So if settlement, if they get, you say confirm that it is euro, then you can book in euro. Communicate with the custodian to reprocess trade by using the correct settlement instruction. So once you book, you get a confirmation with the broker, same confirmation you have to pass it to your custodian to book the trade according to what the settlement instruction will be there. And for FX exposure, if your movement get delay was material, then you have to maintain some post some FX spot or forward to clarify the break for certain delay. If it get delay from 1 day, then you have to post buy of quest FX spot and FX delay to clarify your, to clear your cash part. Reconcile trade post update and rerun the nav as well, because if if the trade date is yesterday, and yesterday the break has been kept, so you have to rerun your nav from the yesterday, because this trade should be including yesterday now, and today now will be correcting. Okay, because you maintain the note yesterday, like this. So if you are giving the interview or something, so emphasis timing, currency and reference ID mismatch will be the part, in short we can say, in the trade confirmation stage. Show awareness down effort like FX risks and cash fail penalty also. Sometimes it's cash, if the trade get not confirmed today and it go tomorrow, so it will be cash penalty also to us, the fund admin, because they not booked correctly. And mention the importance of a SFTP, reference data control and time zone as well. So when the data pull at 11 a.m., that I want to just I relate the example. So and one file is coming at 12 p.m., so you can just coordinate with your SFTP team member that this file will get delay, so kindly update once you get a confirmation with this. So like this you have to maintain, coordinate with your trade team, you have to coordinate with your SFTP team who is inserting file into fund admin. Then you have to be conscious on how your accounting platform are using, accordingly you can make the things. So this is how I done from the trade confirmation steps. So next part will discuss about trade settlement break, how the trade settlement break happen into market, and how we can resolve the break by using certain example. So stay tuned with us, we'll see you on the next episode. Thank you so much for watching.